Hi friends, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to test the gaming latency test in the Realme Buds Wireless 2. As you can see friends, so a lot of users are actually planning to buy this Realme Buds Wireless 2, but they're really worried about the gaming latency, how much it is. The company, they did claim the gaming latency is about 88 super low milliseconds, as you can see. That's the thing. So let's test in our practical way. So is it actually really good or not? So that's what I'm going to exactly test in this video. So first let's connect the headset to the phone. Let's see what will be the latency. And to experience the gaming latency, you need to use the Realme Link application, and from the Realme Link application you can actually enable the latency. I'll try to exactly show you what to do that. Right now Realme Buds is successfully connected. That's done. So now you need to download the Realme Link application. So once you download the Realme Link application, slightly increase the brightness, yes. Now go to the Realme Buds Wireless 2, and here you will be finding the option which is called the gaming mode. As you can see, game mode, which is present, as you can see friends. So right now game mode is present. So if you want to use the game mode, you need to turn off the LDAC support test as well. As you can see, LDAC you need to disable. This is a codec you need to disable if you want to experience the game mode. That's the one thing you need to compromise. But let's test the latency. Is there any kind of latency is there or not while gaming? So let's start with the Badminton's mobile gameplay only. So that is what a lot of users really request me to use this game right now in terms of the testing the quality. How is the latency? So I'll try to use the fire to fire the gun, and then I'll try to keep this mic slightly close to this kind of earbuds. So then you'll be able to experience how is the footsteps, how is the firing gun. So is there any kind of latency delay or not? So these are the things we'll definitely get to know in this entire video. So first let's start that game here. So right now I'm trying to keep the mic close to the earbuds. As you can see, these are the Realme Buds Wireless 2. And let me to start firing the gun. So I'm trying to jump. Let's see how is the gaming experience. So in my experience, I did not notice much kind of difference in terms of the volume. Let me try to quickly go and start the normal match, so then you'll be able to exactly feel the difference. So I'll try to play a quick team net match. Let's start playing the match. And I'm trying to keep the volume as well full. So in case if you're feeling high volume, you can decrease your phone volume. But right now I'm trying to keep it the maximum volume. So just to let you know what is happening here. So right now I'll try to do the quick gameplay friends, just one gameplay only, and I don't want to make this video really lengthy one just for this kind of sake. So I just want to do one gameplay and then I'll try to end up this kind of video.
Let's go. First point for the red team. Cover me! Reloading! The blue team is unstoppable! Killing spree for the blue team! Cover me! Kill! Reloading! Dead! Killing spree
So we did try the normal team that match. Now let's try the classic match. So I'm trying to show you in different scenarios how it will be behaving in terms of the volume output in the Realme Buds Wireless 2. Let's see in the classic match what will happen in terms of the volume. But overall, in terms of the latency, even I did not feel any kind of problem with the Realme Buds Wireless 2. Not only me, even other users also, they did not feel any kind of issues regarding the latency. They did inform me as well, friends, under some of the videos. So mentioning that they don't have any kind of issues. So when you try to turn on the game mode, so it should be completely fine in this phone. So you should download the Realme Link application to turn on the game mode. That's the one thing you should definitely remember. So regarding the audio quality, it's really good. So I'll need to do another audio quality test as well on this Realme Buds Wireless 2. So very soon I'll try to test that video as soon as possible.
Good luck, mates.
So let's see. Let's try to mute everything, and now you'll be able to hear the volume. So try to listen to the footsteps from the enemies. Let's see, friends, whether now you'll be able to hear any kind of sound. How is the sound experience? But overall, it should be kind of really good playing in this phone. So I can definitely test different games as well. In case if you're interested, let me know in the comment section what games you want me to test on this Realme Buds Wireless 2. So overall, not bad in terms of the volume output, I would say. So friends, this is a quick review on this Realme Buds Wireless 2, and overall it was really great experience using this kind of gaming mode option as well. As you can see, absolutely good this kind of option. As you can see, if during this time you can even enable the noise cancelling option as well, in case if you are playing with the gaming mode. That's another thing you do have here. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And every time you don't need to use the Realme Link application as well to turn on the game mode. Let me show you. So there's an option which says noise cancellation button. So there's another button which is present in the Realme Buds Wireless 2. You can actually double tap. You can double tap to turn on the game mode option as well, as you can see. So game mode option will be enabled, as you can see, friends, in this way. You can enable and disable whenever you want this kind of game mode functionality directly without even opening the application. That's the one thing which I was just mentioning. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.